Sakubona mfundi. So, one of the most common questions you'll encounter in Ndebele conversations is unjani. Alright, unjani means how are you? So let's learn how to use it in simple sentences today. First, how do you greet in Ndebele? So you say sakubona. Sakubona, you use it when talking to one person. But if you're talking to many people, you use salibonani, okay? Or if you're talking to someone you particularly respect, use salibonani as well, all right? So here is how a typical conversation starts in Ndebele. Sakubona, this is you greeting the other person, and they respond, yebo. Unjani, how are you, okay? And normally the answer is ngiyaphila, I am well. So ngiyaphila means I'm fine, all right? It literally means I'm alive. Okay, so that's what we normally say. So normally you want to ask about other people as well. You want to ask, how is father, all right? Unjani ubaba. That's how you're going to ask it. And they will respond, ubaba uyaphila. All right. So this could be you asking your sibling, how is dad? Unjani ubaba? Ubaba uyaphila. But also we use the same sentence when asking other people. For example, your friend, you might just ask them, unjani ubaba? Or in the coming lesson, I'll teach you how to specifically ask, how is your father? How is your mother? All right. So to keep it simple, just say, how is dad? How is mom? Okay. So you want to ask, how is grandmother? Unjani ugogo? And the response will be, ugogo uyaphila. Gogo is well. Grandmother is well. You want to ask about a particular person, you can use their name right there. For example, this is Sane. So you would ask, unjani usane? How is Sane? Usane uyaphila. She is fine. Unjani umalume? How is uncle? And what would be the response? Umalume uyaphila. I hope it's making sense. So, sometimes you want to say that you're sick. You don't want to say that you're fine, right? So you're going to say ngiyagula. That's the word for I'm sick, right? Similarly, if someone asked you, how is mom? And she is not feeling well, you're going to say umama uyagula. Unjani ukhulu? How is grandfather? Ukhulu uyagula. As you can see, he's in hospital, right? And we have a baby here called Minnie. Unjani umini? Minnie is at the clinic, so she's not feeling well. The answer is going to be umini uyagula. Angisho. Umini uyagula. Umbuzo. Wena-ke unjani? Let me know how you're doing. Are you well? Are you ill? Which one is it? See you in the next lesson.